Hello, I wanted to share with you what I'm doing for 3 days. This is what I do after a holiday, especially Thanksgiving or Christmas. And with Thanksgiving, we had a turkey. So I take the turkey and I make my own broth. Now for 3 days, this is what I do with that broth. Look at how gelatinous that broth is. That is going to be so delicious. So for 3 days, for breakfast and lunch, I have broth. Now sometimes I will go ahead and add in some celery into it and let it cook with that. I'll add any other chopped vegetables if I've got leftover spices like cilantro or parsley left over from our cooking on the holidays, and I might even add in my dehydrated onions. I'm going to cook this up for just a couple minutes, maybe even 4 to 5, so the celery cooks down really good, and then I'm going to have my drink. Now while that is cooking, I want to share with you some verses that I read this morning. And look where it says right here. This is in Luke 13. It says, "Go and tell the fox, behold, I can cast out demons and perform cures today and tomorrow, and the third day I will reach my goal." And those are words that I'm always looking for on that third day for my digestive system to heal. If I ate foods that I don't normally eat, then I might be feeling it. Well, this broth is what I do for breakfast and lunch for 3 days after a holiday. So here's breakfast on day 3. I hope you enjoy this too.